You know, and smashed my expectations.
Yeah.
I was not expecting.
So step up, Auntie. You feel.
Say hi, bro. Hi, bro. Yes.
Keep going.
Hazel.
Melly.
Try to stay inside.
Other dairy breed. Can the representative from Serge Island make your way on the stage?
Osbornes in Jamaica.
I'm just. He was like, everyone's so nice here. Irish sea moss.
Bounce about and 200.
Yes, I
Can't
know.
keep
I
you
see that.
up. So don't know. All about it, looking more coming back.
Hi guys, it's me, Toby.
And it's
Wild
me,
One
Misha.
Bedrooms.
Hello.
We're here.
Number 72.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Come with us.
We're just at the entrance. You can probably see I'm sweating. The sun's shining.
tell you
We're just
this.
waiting to go in.
It's absolutely roasting hot.
It is. But it's beautiful. Remember there's the other entrance up there.
So this is the gate, yeah?
And this isn't the one I was talking about, but it looks like it's the one you can get in.
Yeah, let's go in here. So we found the gate and we're about to go in.
We're at gate 3. How much?
3,600 for 2 adults and 1. You don't have to pay for those.
Oh, nice. Woo, Melly.
It's like 16 quid.
Okay, cool.
Take 2 batteries.
Okay, cool.
But wow.
Huh? What'd you say?
Bye-bye. Thank you, mate.
We're in. Hey. You need to stay with Mummy and Daddy.
Ladies, who's incorrectly? Which one is chewing correctly? If you don't get chewing correctly. Alright. Okay. Who's gonna finish first? Who's gonna finish first? Wait up, look.
Alright. Right, so how long we been in here for now?
20 minutes, maybe?
Yeah.
He's the winner for the basket.
What do you think
He's
so
the
far?
He's the winner.
There's a
He's
lot
the
going
winner.
on.
This is the basket for me, please.
I don't even know how well you can hear me, but there's so much going on. It's really busy.
It's amazing here. Check this out.
Hold on. I want somebody to do this presentation for me.
It's nice, I want to see you.
Dishani, come here, Dishani.
And that,
Yeah, come here, Dishani.
And this is just one small section of it. It's so busy, but it's lovely. There's so much to do. There's like something here for everyone. Whether you like plants or whether you're interested in the food, or if you just want to look around for a day out, there's a lot going on here. I don't even know if we'll get to see it all. There's so much.
yeah, there's so much going on that we ain't even going to be able to get all over it. Our plan was to come in, have a look around, film it, and after about 2 minutes we're like, Not even possible. You'd need like 5 people going all over the place in different sections.
To
But
just go through it.
I can say that it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing. So
Yeah, I think next year, whenever it's next on, so it's on for 3 days. It was on for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's Sunday today, but next time we need to probably do 2 days just to get everything in.
And it is unbelievably hot as well. Isn't
Yeah.
Stop me like this. This not train. Let me see. Grandma won't train. What ever say?
Stop again, boots you up.
That is it. That is it. What if we are still a shape? You just share out the clean in your mouth. Eh? Hold on there. Until you're done last. Me I give you 1 each for try again. Give me 1 each for project. Give me 1 each for project there, please. Give me 1 each, please. 1 each. Never say win.
Sorry, bro.
Alright, so I'm making a please. Dispose these to me, please. Right? Put them in the garbage. Please. Yes, nothing for here. Yes, just empty the can. So step up, auntie. You finish last. Step away. Step away. Step away.
Mommy's happy now because we didn't give her some free goodies. Whatever. Go and stand next to them. Whoa, rock solid. We have a rock solid, didn't we? We bought a rhino, and the rhino tank collapsed.
Yeah.
And then after
for what reason, we don't know.
And then after that, we bought a rock solid.
And it's still going strong.
Yeah, but it hasn't been filled with water yet, so who knows if it's rock solid or not. But yeah, big up rock solid. Let's go and find. Do you want to be on our video? Need to get that in. Keep going.
Hazel.
Melly.
I stay inside the light.
Good girl.
Well done.
Got a new cap, 5 colours. This one's for Misha.
Hey.
Are you having fun yet, Mish? Oh wow, you're a model. I didn't know that. One bread bins, we're back again.
Yeah, we're just sitting relaxing, taking 5 minutes while they're colouring.
Yeah, we're on our mission today is that we're trying to find a traveller's palm, aren't we?
That's your mission. I'm just
No, that's
down with the flow.
That's our mission.
That's yours, Mr. Plant Man.
We need to find a traveller's palm.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can get one, and hopefully it doesn't cost £1 million.
Guys, if you haven't come down to Denbigh, you need to come. You really need to come. It's lovely. So
It's
lovely.
amazing.
Yeah. I do work just round the corner, so I'm familiar with the area, but it's so nice. It's a lovely family day event. It's really nice.
Yeah.
So if you're not coming this year, then next time it's on, you need to come. No matter how far you're coming from, just make the effort and come. It's so nice here.
On a different colour.
What colour are you going to pick?
Oh, let's show me the colour.
What colour are you going for? Pop the top off. What colour? What colour is it? It is like a light green.
They're water pumps, darling. It's just showing you, like you have it on the back of the car when they pump the water. It sucks it up. It's sucking it up and putting it back in. You would suck it out of one thing, drop it in the other, not. Yeah. But look, that one there is only 150 quid.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Just anything.
We're just looking at some water pumps. Obviously, brilliant for if you want to collect your own water. You realise how much they were, but they're not too expensive.
No, they're perfectly.
Depending on what one you want.
Other dairy breeds, and we have the NutriMix beef cup for champion dairy type gold. One by Serge.
Look. Cool. Hazy. Where did Daddy go? It's okay. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you.
Serge Island Dairy, walking away with 3 cups for the other dairy breed. Can the representative from Serge Island make your way on the stage to collect your trophies?
What do you think of
This
cows?
was one, so this
What do you
is
think
the
of cows?
Category Society of Jamaica
Do you like cows, Steve?
Cup for Supreme
Do they not?
Champion
What do
People
cows make?
Senior, won by Minard
Cows make?
Estate. And I'm going to do this
Just
presentation
stay in
on
the
behalf
shade
of the
as well.
Category
What do
Society
cows
of
make?
Jamaica.
Huh? You do what cows make. Okay.
Cup for Supreme Champion Beef Bull Senior. And this is won by the Minard Estate, the Agro Invest Minard Estate in St. Anne. The Category Society of Jamaica Cup for Supreme Champions.
They can decide any tune, anything, as long as iPro is in it. And then you will have to tell me who is the person that shall walk away with my gift today. And I have 3 contestants. I have a nice little one here. Good morning, Ian.
Oh, Theo.
Theo? Hi, Theo. How are you?
Good.
So, Theo, you ready to win a prize today? All right, Theo. So listen what you're going to have to do for Auntie. Do you know any nursery rhyme? So all you need to do is sing one of your nursery rhyme and put the word I pro in it. What's the word?
Baby.
Hold on, enough is singing Theo. You're too jumpy, Theo. Alright, listen to teacher Theo. So you're going to sing your nursery rhyme and you're going to put in the word high pro. Say high pro.
High pro.
Yes, say it again.
High pro.
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 High pro.
High
High
pro.
pro.
High
High
pro.
pro.
High
High
pro.
pro.
High pro.
Give me my clap. You hear me, I say you're high pro. Come, cause you're in the competition, Theo. You must win something today. Alright, you ready, beautiful? Beautiful. Come, Theo, come, man. Come to Auntie. We're gonna make you win something. Stay right with Auntie. Daddy don't know where you're going. Whole day spending at Denbigh. Alright, your turn, sweetie.
No, I can sing. I'm good.
Wait there.
Oh.
Pets, plants, chemicals or seeds. Come to High Pro, we got everything you need.
Whoa!
Chemicals or seeds. Come to High Pro, we got everything you need.
Yeah!
Woo! People clap for. Cause
Yes.
someone's gonna come up here and do that.
Nah.
You want to try the competition too? Say hi pro.
Right.
Hi pro.
Oh,
You don't
God.
know.
Yeah!
Come, Theo,
Don't worry,
I'm gonna
guys.
win
You did
something.
really
Just want to spin the wheel. So where are my hi pro ladies? So you're going to go over there, Theo, look. You're going to go over there to Auntie, and Auntie's going to find something for you, okay? One of my hi pro ladies, take care of these two beautiful customers for me.
Thank
Give
you.
them a round of applause for me.
Thank you, madam.
All right. Anybody here can dance? I want you to show me the iPro dance. Anybody can dance? Nobody know the iPro dance? Nobody can make up the iPro dance?
T, can you
All
ask?
right.
T, ask.
So you ready for your throwing competition now?
Sorry, you're right.
You ready for your throwing competition now?
Can I have a hat? Can I get a hat?
You ready for your throwing competition now? All right, so you have to stand behind that line for me.
Yeah!
Stand behind that line. Stand behind that line. Who is going to be with people like this beanbag game for some reason?
Don't
I
worry.
don't know.
You did very
But
well,
anyone
Hazel.
drops in
T,
more bags,
I'm so proud of you. Come here.
So well.
What is that? What do we
You
call
did
that?
such a good job. You were so proud of you. And you found a nasty shell.
What do you call this?
Alright, wicked.
Anybody can tell me the name of the for me? One. Miss. Two. Miss. Three.
Just look at that. Whoa, that is mad. Oh,
Wait. Didn't we just have a drink? We'll come back and get one. Come back and get one.
traveller's balm. They only got fig.
No.
Sorry, madam. Where do you want to go?
So now we're just walking around.
Doing it now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, try not to keep,
Try not to get my finger in it.
And yeah, like move it around, but this goes slow when you move it.
I will.
Obviously, don't just hammer it down the middle. You want to try and get the stools.
Yeah.
Thing going on, like it's the specifics which are like really interesting to me.
All right, darling.
I wanna stay home tonight. I long to spend some time with the family, but stay home.
Oh wow. Don't worry, Theo. Just follow, as long as you follow me, mate, you'll be absolutely fine. Yeah, it's a domino table. Come on.
Your friend Tony has different. Your friend Tony has different.
I know he does. I know Tony's got like a, he's got a.
Can we have the umbrella, please?
Yeah. I know.
Can we have the umbrella, please?
Yeah, Mummy got the umbrella.
Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Okay.
Leaving. Going back to the car. It's unbelievably hot. Hi guys. We've had an unbelievable day, haven't we, Theo? You got up on stage, that was amazing.
You did so well.
So Denbigh Annual Agricultural Show was absolutely phenomenal. Completely and utterly smashed my expectations.
Yeah.
I was not expecting the scale, the production, the music, the food. Actually, unbelievably good. I'm not just, again, blown away by the size of it, the scale. It's like going to like a proper like event, you know.
Yeah.
I've never been to any garden show in England that comes anywhere near to this. Have you?
No, never.
Never, and I've been to a few.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, the only disappointment was I asked every single plant vendor in the whole place, and no one had a traveller's palm. So if you've got a traveller's palm that you want to let me have a couple of pups off of, I will come and collect it. I will give you a big cuddle, and I'll be super grateful. So guys, anybody has a traveller's palm out there, let me know, because I'm looking for one.
Anyway, we're signing out. We'll definitely be coming back again next year.
100%.
Again, if you like our videos, please subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you're always notified when we release a video. Give us a thumbs up and like. And as always, we will see you in the next video. Say bye.